substitute. Now what to substitute so that second function comes? So in this case, if we substitute, let 1 by x equals to t, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. So you see here 1 by x square dx we will get. So it is nothing but 1 by x square dx equals to minus of dt. Now see, if 1 by x equals to t, from here you can say x equals to what? 1 by t. It means x, then x to the power 4, we are going to put 1 by t. So I reduces to what you see, I equals to integration of here 1 by x square dx, 1 by x square dx minus dt. Let me give minus sign here. Then 1 by x to the power 4, that will be 1 by t to the power 4 plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 4 dt. After this, let me write here implies, so I equals to, if you take LCM, let me write here, then 1 by LCM is what? T to the power 4. Then 1 plus t power 4. 1 plus t exponent 4 divided by t to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4, and here it is your dt. Then in next step, I equals to minus of, now t to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4, t cube we will get. So that will come in the numerator, t cube divided by, and here it is 1 plus t exponent 4 whole to the power, it is as it is 3 by 4. Take the exponent in the numerator as well as denominator. This t to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4, that will be t cube, it will come in the numerator. 1 plus t to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4 as it is, and with respect to t. After this almost we have done. Again we have to go for substitution. See, let, if I assume 1 plus t to the power 4 equals to say z, then differentiating what you will get, 4t cube equals 4t cube dt equals to dz. Now put the value here. I reduces to what? I equals to minus integration of, this is your t cube dt is dz. So t cube dt will be dz by 4. So let me write minus 1 by 4 here, 1 by, and here it is 1 plus t power 4, that is nothing but z. So z to the power 3 by 4 dz. This much you will get. I repeat, 1 plus t to the power 4 is z. Then if you differentiate, then 4t cube dt will be dz. T cube dt will be dz by 4. So 1 by 4 take out. Minus sign is already here. And 1 plus t power 4, that is your z. So z to the power 3 by 4 dz. Now it's simple. Using formula you can solve it. Let me write here. Implies I equals to. So from here I am writing the next step here. It is negative 1 by 4. Z to the power what? Integration of, you can write z to the power minus 3 by 4. And your what? dz. Then, now I is equal to negative 1 by 4 z power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. So minus 3 by 4 plus 1 means what? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, it will be cancelled out. Just here minus, and here z to the power 1 by 4. This we will get. After that, finally I will be equal to, plus c is there, minus z is what? Z is your 1 plus t to the power 4. So let me put 1 plus t to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4 plus c. But originally it was in terms of x. Then what is t? T is your 1 by x. So simply you can put the value of t. That's your minus 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Because t is your 1 by x, it will be 1 by x to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4 plus c. You can give the finally the answer is this. In your textbook, answer is given this way. Now we are going to take the next question, that is your question number 5. Next, question number 5. I is equals to 1 by x to the power half plus 1 x to the power 1 by 3 dx. We have to find out the integral of this. Here also we have to go for substitution. But what to substitute? For that, you just say it is 1 by 2, it is 1 by 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is your 6. So you have to substitute, let x to the power 1 by 6 equals to t. So let x to the power 1 by 6 is equals to t. So we will take x to the power 1 by 6 equals to t. Now if you differentiate this, it will be 1/6 x to the power 1 by 6 minus 1. That is 1 minus 6 by 6. So negative 5 by 6 dx equal to dt. It is just assume x to the power 1 by 6 equals to t. Differentiate this. Then 1/6 of x to the power 1 by 6 minus 1, that will be x to the power minus 5 by 6 dx equals to dt. Now you see here, let us put the value I equals to integration. Here dx, you have to get the value of dx. For that, what to do, you see, you just write dx equals to 6 times, 6 will come in this side, and x to the power negative 5 by 6, if you transpose it in this side, it will be plus, it will be positive. So x to the power 5 by 6 positive, and here dt. Means here only dx present, no function of x in the numerator. That's why we have written dx only like this way. Now problem is that this should be in terms of t, function of t into dt. But here x is coming. But as you know, x to the power 1 by 6 is what? T. So you can write 6 into x to the power 1 by 6 whole to the power 5. This is nothing but this term. It is your dt. Then what happens? 6 x to the power 1 by 6 is your t. So 6 times t to the power 5 dt. So dx you obtain. Now let us put the values or substitute in I. So if we substitute, then what you get, you say, after substitution I will be integration of dx is what? Dx is 6 times e to the power 5 dt. So let me take 6 outside as it is constant. So 6 times t to the power 5 divided by, and here you see x to the power half. X to the power half is, if you take the square in both sides, just directly you can write x to the power 1 by 6 is your t. And if you take the square in both sides, then what you will get? X to the power 1 by 3 is equal to t square. So that's why x to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but t square. I repeat, as x to the power 1 by 6 is your t, squaring both sides, here x to the power, it is your x to the power 1 by 6. If you take cube in both sides, x to the power 1 by 6, taking cubing both sides, simple, just take cube, and here it is t cube. So 3 2s are 6. So x to the power 1 by 2 will be your t cube, and x to the power 1 by 3 will be your t square, and here with respect to t, dt. Then you see 6 times integration of t to the power 5. Here t square is common, so t plus 1. It is your dt equal to 6 times integration of t square t5 cancel out t cube by t plus 1 dt. So almost we have done to get a suitable form so that we can find out the integral. Now see, it is a polynomial in t, it is a polynomial t. So polynomial by polynomial, it means it's a rational function. So when the integrand is a rational function, the partial fraction method is applicable. But this rational function is not proper rational function because degree of this polynomial is greater. That's why you have to divide it, t cube by t plus 1. So let's do that. If you divide, then you will get dividing. So let me show it in details. Here in rough you can do this division, but I am showing you here it is t cube divided by t plus 1. So t square, then t cube plus t, subtract it minus t, then minus 1, then it is your minus t, sorry, t square times it is your t cube. So if you take t square times, then it will be your t plus 1. So t square, then t cube plus t square. Here it is plus t square. Subtract it minus t square. Then t plus 1. So I have to take minus t here. So it is your minus t square minus t. Subtract it, then it is your plus t. Then plus 1 I have to take. Then it will be t plus 1 and it is your negative 1. It means now you can write here 6 times integration of t cube by t plus 1. When t cube is divided by t plus 1, quotient is this much. So let me write here t square minus t. Just write the quotient, whatever be the quotient. T square minus t plus 1. And then remainder is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 by t plus 1. So here you can write minus or plus negative 1 by t plus 1. This much you will get dt. Now see, it becomes easier for you. Now by long division method you can find out this value. After that it's nothing but simple integration. 6 times I equal to 6 times integration of t square t cube by 3 minus 6 times integration of t into t square by 2 plus 6 times, so plus 6, it is 1 dt integration of only 6t will come. Then here you see it is minus, let me write directly integration of 1 by t plus 1 log of t plus 1. So here it is minus log of t plus 1. Now I equals to twice t cube minus, here it is your thrice t square and plus 60 minus log of t plus 1. Now substitute the value of t in terms of x. What was your t? We assume t as your x to the power 1 by 6. So answer should be given in terms of x. So if we replace it 2 into, because t is your what? As per substitution, t is your 1 by 6. X to the power 1 by 6, it was assumed as t. So if we put x to the power 1 by 6 here, so taking cube on both sides, it will be twice of x to the power 1 by 2 minus, and if you take square in both sides, t square you will get, that will be your thrice of x to the power 1 by 3, x to the power 1 by 3 plus 6 times t will be just x to the power 1 by 6 minus log of x to the power 1 by 6 plus 1. Just substituting the value of t. And if you want, you can give the answer in radical form also. Twice x to the power half means what? Root over x. Minus 3. X to the power 1 by 3 means what? Cube root of x. Plus 6. X to the power 1 by 6 what? That is your 6th root of x. And minus, it is as it is. Log of, you can give this is also in radical form. 6th root of x. That is 6th root of x plus 1 plus c. This is your final answer. Now, let us take next question. That is your question number. This was question number 5. Now we are going to take question number 6. In question number 6, given, let me write the integration at first. The integrand function is given as your 5x by x plus 1 into x square plus 9. 5x by x plus 1 into x square plus 9. This is your integrand with respect to x, and we are to find out the value of this. Can you guess? It's a rational function, polynomial by polynomial, and as well as proper rational function. Degree is what? 3. Your degree is your 1. Yes, it is x plus 1 only. So by partial fraction you can solve it. Let 5x by x plus 1 x square plus 9 equals to a over x plus 1 plus, as it is quadratic, then you have to assume bx plus c divided by x square plus 9. Say this is even give number 1. Then take this, multiply throughout, and simply forget about this. It will be your 5x, because by this quantity we will multiply each and every term. Then it will be cancelled out. 5x will be left equals to a times x plus 1 will be cancelled out. What is left? X square plus 9. So a times simply x square plus 9. Easily you can write this. X square plus 9 is here. So it will be bx plus c times x plus 1. That will be your x plus 1. This is your number 2. Now our aim is to find out the values of ABC, where ABC are any numbers. So for that, easiest way, say x plus 1. If I take x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to what? Negative 1. If I take x plus 1 equals to 0, then x will be what? Negative 1. That's why we will take for x equal to negative 1, 2 implies into, if you put negative 1. 5 into negative 1, that will be negative 5 equal to. If you put negative 1 here, that is 1 plus 9, 10a. That will be 10a. And this term will be eliminated because this is 0 and their part is 0. So here a we obtained as negative 1 by 2. Now to find value of b and c. So in order to find out value of b and c, let us do one thing. Let us take x equals to 0. For x equals to 0, 2 implies. Same process. Then here it will be 5 into 0, that will be 0 equal to. So that will be 0. After that, here it is 0, only 9a you will get, 9a. b into 0, that is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So plus what you will get? C. It means we obtained c equals to minus of 9a. C value. But a is what? Negative 1 by 2. So c is your, if you put negative 1 by 2, that will be positive 9 by 2. So a we obtained and value of c we have got. Now you can consider any number for x. And why you will take any value for x, then ABC may be left in the equality whatever you will get. But putting the value of A and C, you can obtain the value of B. I mean to say that in order to find out, say, value of B, it's not necessary that A and C both must be eliminated. A, C may be present, but A and C we have obtained. So putting these values, we can get the value of B. So let us take now A is your negative half and C is your 9 by 2. So let me write here, this is value of C we have obtained and A is your negative 1 by 2. Now we are to find out just value of your B. So for that, say just at random for x equal to 1. Then if you put x equals to 1, that means 2 implies it is your 5 into 1, it is your 10a, 1 plus 9, and x is 1, that will be simply b plus c, and x is 1, that is your 2. Now you see, this will give you 5 equals to 10a plus 2b plus twice of c. Just multiply this. Now put the values of a and c. This will give you 5 equals to 10 into a is how much? Negative half. Plus 2b as it is, b value we are going to find out. C is what? 9 by 2. So plus 2 into 9 by 2. Then you see, let me write this part here. This implies 5 equal to negative 5, and then here it is plus 2b, and here 2 cancelled out, plus 9. So here 2b equals to 10 minus 9. If you transpose this, then it will be 10 and then 10 minus 9, which is equals to 1, implies b you have got as 1 by 2. So finally, from here you will get I. If you take integration of this, integration of this, integration of this. So let me write integration of this means nothing but I equals to. Now a by x plus 1. A is how much? A minus 1 by 2. So write minus 1 by 2. Integration 1 by x plus 1 dx. Plus bx plus c. B is your half. So integration half of x. C is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 divided by x squared plus 9. Now finally, this nothing but minus half of integration of 1 by x plus 1 is your what? Log of x plus 1. So you write here log of x plus 1. You can give modulus sign also. Here plus half is common, integration of x plus 9 by x square plus 9 dx. Then this part you see minus half as it is log of x plus 1 plus, then term wise you can divide half of integration x by x square plus 9 plus with respect to x plus 9 by 2 integration 1 by x square plus 9 dx. Finally, this will be your minus half log of x plus 1 plus. Now you see, derivative of this is what? Twice x. As you know, if the derivative of denominator is the numerator, then integral will be log of denominator. What I told that here it is the denominator. One rule you should know. Say it is like this. Integration of, here it is a cos x, here it is sin x. It is dx. What is the value of this? That is nothing but integration of cot x. Integration of sin x, if the integration of denominator is the if the derivative of denominator is your numerator, and here it happens, derivative of sin x is your cos x. The value of this will be simply log of sin x. That's why integration of cot x is your log of sin x, you know it. But this is the rule, and here derivative of x squared plus 9 is your 2x. So if I write 2 here, I have to make it 4. So let me write 1 by 4. Then I can write log of x squared plus 9. That's it. Plus 9 by 2 as it is. And you know the formula 1 by x squared plus a squared. Integration of 1 by x squared plus a squared is 1 by a, tan inverse x by a. That's why it is your a means how much here? 3 squared, that is 3. So 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3 finally plus c. So at last you can write minus half of log x plus 1 plus 1/4 of log x squared plus 9, and here 3 cancel out, 3 3s are 9, plus 3 by 2 tan inverse x by 3 plus c. That's all. This is the answer of your